Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Y'all, it's only 5:30 p.m. on Sunday. The security lights have come on. It's darker than what it appears on this video, but it is really coming down. I don't know where my poor little kitties are. I hope they went up under the house. It's really the only place they've got to go to get out of the rain for now. Oh my goodness. Well, we asked for rain, didn't we? And we got it. So it's Monday morning. It's rained all night long. Lots of thunder and lightning. Of course, my poor little Thule was scared to death. She always is. She totally will not wear one of those thunder coats or whatever you call it. She chews it and rips it to pieces to get out of it. So as you can see, I've got a lot off. I've taken down that headboard here, and right here, and right here. And I've moved a lot of stuff. I have no idea when they're coming. They're certainly not going to come this week because I think we are having rain all week long. So Texas is definitely blessed. We're getting that much needed rain. And I hope it can soak in the ground and give my beautiful trees a drink. They sure did need it. I'm going to have to cut this shrub back quite a bit, right about where you see my hand, right here, because that carport's going to come down through here. I don't know, I keep calling it a carport. It's a patio. So this morning, I didn't have a cover for my kitties to eat their breakfast, so I put their food down here. And there is a bit of a cover, as you can see. Well, little George came and Ginger. And then I saw LG and Smokey. But they don't stay long because, you know, I mean, it's not raining right here where I am. It's not hitting me. But you know how cats are. I have something to tell y'all. I have the papers filled out that I have to make an appointment for LG and George to go be, I'm going to use the term fixed. I'm going to call them today and see if I can get an appointment. It'll be September. Now they are not 4 months old yet, so they need to at least be 4 months old. But they will be 4 months old in September. But here's what I wanted to tell you. It appears that we're going to have to call George Georgette or Georgina. George is a girl. So I probably keep the name. It's confusing, but y'all will know and I'll know that George is most definitely a little girl. I never was able to know. It's because I've never been able to pick her up until recently. So anyway, that's that. So I hope y'all all have a great day. I work this week Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, off and on during the week. I need to go to the post office. I've got some medication up there that I need to get. I need to fill my car up with gas because I'm on a little below the half mark, so I need to do that, but I don't want to go out in this weather. I just don't. It's dangerous, and I see why take the chance if you don't have to, and I don't have to. So I'm thankful for that. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in to my videos. Sometimes I don't have a whole lot to say, and sometimes I do. But I appreciate your subscriptions, appreciate your comments, appreciate that you support my channel with your views and your likes, and I appreciate you as a friend. So, hugs everybody. Have a great day. I hope God is good to you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.